Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one, I'll show you how to cancel the Time magazine subscription. So to cancel it online, you need to visit the Time magazine customer service on the website. After that, log in with your account details or subscription number, navigate to Cancel Subscription section, and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Also, as said in their official guide right over here in cancellation and refunds, you can also cancel the subscription by calling their number, the number you can see on the screen starting from 1-800 etc. Call them, request to cancel your subscription, provide your subscription details to the representative. You can also perform cancellation through email by sending an email to customerservice@time.com requesting cancellation. Include your name, address and subscription details in the email for quick processing, and once your cancellation is processed, you should receive a confirmation on either your email or depending on how exactly you're cancelling. And after doing all of these steps, you should receive a confirmation once your cancellation is processed. Thank you for watching, guys. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing and liking the video, and I will see you in the next one.